First this hour, it's Charlie Kirk's alleged killer, Tyler Robinson, who's back in court. So his defense team is trying, among other things, to block the graphic videos of the Kirk killing. And what they really like to do at a hearing today is get the prosecutors who are on the case thrown off the case. So let's get to NewsNation's Alex Capriello, who's live in Provo, Utah for us. Hearing's just about to start, right, Alex?
Yeah, that's right, Connell. We expect some fiery arguments from both sides. They both have a lot that they want to get off their chest and argue in front of that judge. Namely, for the defense, it's what you just pointed out, the graphic videos that we remember from September. We all remember it because think about how quickly they circulated online, going viral within minutes, and all of a sudden on the iPhones and tablets and TV screens of millions of people from all across our country. And really for the defense, it's all about trying to create the best circumstances and the fairest trial possible for their client, obviously. That is Tyler Robinson, the accused killer of Charlie Kirk. And really when they think about those videos and the possibility that it might taint a potential jury pool in the future, given the graphic nature of what they show, obviously the prosecution in the state of Utah wants them entered into evidence because they're trying to prove that not only was this a murder that was carried out in cold blood, but that it was particularly egregious. That's the standard that needs to be met for that death penalty sentencing that they are hoping to seek. As for what the defense is trying to also push forward today, it's about possibly throwing out the help of one of the council members. That's the local county attorney, deputy county attorney, I should say, who we've learned his daughter was actually there at the site of that Charlie Kirk assassination, one of the thousands of students that was among the crowd. So we expect those arguments today as well. Connell.
All right, just about to get underway, as we said. What's the scene been like there in Provo today? A heavy security presence, right, for the defendant on his way in?
Yeah, it's very interesting, Connell, because I don't think I've ever seen this much amplified security for a defendant. Obviously, there's so much of this trial that's revolved around the secrecy of it and protecting the rights of the defendant here. So much so that even standing on the public sidewalk and shooting the convoy of vehicles that are actually entering into this building is off limits. We were just told by the judge that everything that we shot today is no longer allowed to be shown on TV. And again, it's about protecting the defendant here. But even still, I can tell you, just because I was an eyewitness to it all, that it is so very intense. It was an armored Humvee that was actually, I'm told, carrying the defendant, followed by around a dozen or so sheriff's deputies, many of these police officers and law enforcement carrying semi-automatic rifles in full fatigues. I saw snipers up on the roof. I saw drones flying in the air, and I'm even told one of the sheriff's planes was actually running sort of a spot from the sky, eyes in the sky, so to speak. So a lot of scrutiny and a lot of attention being paid to the protection of the defendant here, Tyler Robinson.
We're back in Provo as soon as that hearing begins. Could be any moment now. Alex Capriello for us. Thank you, Alex. To Arizona now.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.